For safety reasons, the installation of the electric bed should be carried out by 2 persons. Step 1. Open the box lid and take out the bed. Make sure not to puncture the box with any sharp objects. Take out all the accessories from the packaging and put them aside. Step 2. First, connect the adapter to the DC power cord and AC power cord. Second, connect the DC power cord to the control box. Step 3. Turn over the bed frame and place it on the bed. Then install the mattress retainer bar. Finally, you can use the remote control to test whether the product can be used normally.